Speaking Afrikaans. In this video, we are going to learn about my gesin. The reason for this video is number one, for you to practice speaking Afrikaans, and number two, for learners when they have to use this in school or in transactional writing. In Afrikaans, we talk about familie, family, and that refers to our extended family, the grandparents, aunts and uncles, cousins, etc. But when we say gesin, that refers to our immediate family, your parents and your siblings. Let's start. So, in our gesin, we have a mom. In Afrikaans, it is ma. Ma. So see, a very short word, M-A, but the sound of the A is very long. It's not ma, it's ma. Let's say it together. Ma. Or you can say mama. Mama. See, there's a double M when you write it down. However, when we say it, we say mama. Mama. My ma se naam is. My mom's name is. Let's say it together, and then you say your mom's name. My ma se naam is. Now we move on to dad. In Afrikaans is dit pa. Again, very short word, P-A, but it's not a short sound. It's not pa, it's a long sound. The A, pa, pa. Or you can say papa, papa. Again, double P when you write it down, but when you say it, we say papa, papa. My pa se naam is. Let's say it together, and then you say what your dad's name is. My pa se naam is. Now, you might have a stepmom and dad in your family. Your parents might be divorced. And then you say for stepmom, you say stiefma. Stiefma. For stepdad, you say stiefpa. Stiefpa. Now let's move on to your siblings. Brother is boetie. Boetie. Let me show you how to pronounce it. Boetie. 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 Ek het 'n boetie. Sy naam is. I have a brother. His name is. Now, repeat it with me. And if you have a brother, say his name. Ek het 'n boetie. Sy naam is. Another word you can also use is broer. Broer. Now we move on to sister. Sussie. Sussie. Very important when we write it down, it's a double S. But when we say it, it is pronounced sussie. 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 Ek het 'n sussie. Haar naam is. I have a sister. Her name is. Let's say it together. Ek het 'n sussie. Haar naam is. And then say your sister's name. Another word you can also use is sister. Sister. You might have an older or a younger brother or sister. So, older in Afrikaans is ouer. 'n ouer boetie. Ouer sussie. Or younger. Younger in Afrikaans is jonger. Jonger. Jonger boetie. Jonger sussie. Ek het 'n ouer boetie. I have an older brother. Ek het 'n ouer boetie. Ek het 'n jonger sussie. I have a younger sister. Ek het 'n jonger sussie. In the next video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the other family members, grandparents, aunts and uncles, cousins. Okay, julle, I hope that this helped you. Tot ziens!